will show you how to prepare masala puri chaat. For this recipe, we will need green peas soaked overnight 1 cup, garbanzo soaked overnight 1 cup, 3 tomatoes, 1 carrot, 2 onions, a small handful of coriander leaves. We'll also need 1 teaspoon red chili powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon black salt, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon garam masala, small piece of ginger, some garlic, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, a small piece of nutmeg, a small piece of cinnamon, few pieces of cloves and 1 piece of star anise. We'll also need garbanzo snack, optional. We need pani puris. Now cook green peas in pressure cooker with 2 cups of water and some salt We can pressure cook this for 1 whistle. We have to separately cook garbanzo beans again with water and salt. To cook it for 1 whistle. In a small wok, we can add cumin seeds and all the dry ingredients, nutmeg, cloves and star anise, and dry roast them until they are aromatic. Roughly chopped 1 onion. We have roughly chopped 2 tomatoes. When the spices are cooled, we can now grind them into a powder. Puri masala is now ready. Cut into pieces, garlic and saute it. Add onion and tomatoes and saute them for 5 minutes. At this point, we can turn off the flame and allow it to cool. Add the tomato, onion, garlic mixture along with cooked garbanzo beans and grind them into a paste by adding some water from. Now pour the mixture into a container and add water, around 1 liter water. You can also use water from cooking garbanzo and green peas. Mix well before turning on the flame. Now add red chili powder. Mix well. Then add coriander powder, turmeric powder and add garam masala powder. Add black salt or pani puri masala, masala puri masala that we prepared. Add all the contents. And bring it to boil. Stir occasionally to prevent it from burning in the bottom. Add some salt. When it starts forming bubbles on the surface, now add green peas. Simmer for 2 minutes. Now the broth is ready. We can now start plating. For plating, we will need the sauce we prepared and puris, few pinches of garam masala powder, a few pinches of black salt, salt to taste, and red chili powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, few pinches. We will also need finely chopped tomatoes, garbanzo snack, sliced carrot, chopped onion, chopped cilantro leaves. First we can crush the puris, 9 to 10 puris, garbanzo sauce, chopped onion, tomato, thinly sliced carrot, garbanzo snack, some cilantro leaves, add a pinch of chili powder, garam masala powder, black salt and salt. Masala puri chaat is now ready to serve.